At CES 2024, Sennheiser has once again taken center stage in the world of audio technology, with the unveiling of their latest creation, the ACCENTUM Plus headphones. These cutting-edge headphones are developed to provide an exceptional audio experience without breaking the bank, showcasing its commitment to delivering quality sound to a broad audience. One of the standout features of the ACCENTUM Plus is its integration of Bluetooth 5.2 technology. This ensures a stable and efficient wireless connection, allowing users to enjoy their favorite music or podcasts without the hassle of tangled wires. The headphones support popular codecs like APS Adaptive, promising an optimal audio experience across various usage scenarios. Boasting an impressive battery life, the ACCENTUM Plus headphones offer up to 50 hours of listening time on a single charge. This extended battery life caters to the needs of users who demand long-lasting performance, making these headphones an ideal companion for daily commutes, travel, or extended listening sessions. The appearance of the ACCENTUM Plus headphones is both sleek and functional. Taking inspiration from its flagship Momentum series, the touch-enabled ear cup allows for intuitive control, eliminating the need for buttons or complex menu navigation. This user-friendly feature is tailored to power users who value simplicity and efficiency in their audio devices. For those who prioritize adaptability, the ACCENTUM Plus offers multi-point connectivity, allowing users to connect the headphones to multiple devices simultaneously. Additionally, the headphones come equipped with wind reduction and adjustable side tone features, enhancing the overall user experience and ensuring seamless integration with various environments. Active Noise Cancellation is a key highlight of the ACCENTUM Plus headphones. The adaptive active noise cancellation dynamically adjusts to changes in ambient noise, creating an immersive listening environment by minimizing external distractions. This feature is particularly beneficial in noisy environments, providing users with a focused and undisturbed audio experience. In situations where a wireless connection is not possible, the ACCENTUM Plus headphones include an audio cable for wired use. This is especially handy during air travel, enabling users to enjoy in-flight entertainment systems or connect to headphone jacks on other devices. The headphones, along with the included audio cable and other accessories, conveniently fit into the provided travel case, making them a practical and portable choice for on-the-go users. The ACCENTUM Plus is set to hit the market in style, with availability in two sophisticated color options, classic black and pristine white. Starting from February 20th, audio enthusiasts can indulge in the immersive sound experience offered by these headphones, priced at $229. This competitive pricing positions the ACCENTUM Plus as an attractive option for those seeking premium audio quality without the premium price tag. In tandem with the ACCENTUM Plus release, it has expanded its audio repertoire with the introduction of two new TWS earbuds, the Momentum True Wireless 4 and Momentum Sport. These earbuds showcase the brand's commitment to innovation and diversity within their product lineup. In summary, ACCENTUM Plus headphones unveiled at CES 2024 are a testament to the company's commitment to delivering high-quality audio experiences to a broad audience. With advanced features such as Bluetooth 5.2 technology, extended battery life, touch-enabled controls, and adaptive active noise cancellation, these headphones offer a compelling package for audio enthusiasts who seek both performance and affordability. What do you think about the new headphones? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and good luck.